Hello everyone, welcome to VITrendZ Chennai. I am Mishra from first year CSC core branch. Let's solve today's problem. The problem is count beep. The binary representation of a number n are written on a circle and divided into m segments. Here the numbers of the bit required to represent n is m. A needle is fixed on the top of the circle and the circle rotates in a clockwise direction for every 10 seconds. Till the complete rotation is made, that is the number rotation is equal to m minus 1. This means the number is starting from the n and the circle rotation goes to the last number, that is m minus 1. Let a segment pointed be p. A beep sound is made when the decimal equivalent of the binary digit is even. When the read from the next segment to the right p to the segment p. We are given with the binary digits written on a segment. From the segment next to p, we have to write a program to find the times of beep sound will be made. For example, if we have the initial configuration binary is this number, then the binary strings obtained by the rotation are these all numbers. Then the binary strings that create beep sound that are even are these three numbers. So we have to print 3. That the 3 times the beep sound will be made. Let me explain with the examples. We are given a number and we have to make the different combination by the rotations. So we have to move the last element to the first and repeat until the first number is achieved again. We move this to here, this to here, this to here, we will get this number. Now only we have to convert this binary into decimal and check whether it is even or odd. If it is even, we have to make a beep sound. So how we all gonna do this? This is how we can convert a binary number to a decimal. We start from the last element and make the power and with the exponent of the indexed value, with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For this we have make a loop function like this. We will take an input like this, we will make it to a list, we will define a value 0 and we will run a loop up to the length of this binary number. Then we will take the last digit, this one, because we have to start from the last. We will take the last digit. We are using a pop function for this to take this one because it starts from here. Then we will check if the value is equal to 1. Then we will update the value here with the value plus power equal to ith index. I means 0, 1, 2, 3. We will getting the 1 at the last and the index I value is 0. So we will get this. Why we are not taking 0? Because ultimately when we are having the 0, we will get the output as 0. This is the diagram of our loop working. Taking input, defining value 0, checking length, popping the number and updating the value. Let's start with the today's code. Select the language and here we go. First we are taking input, so taking input n equal to int input then we have to store the then we have to convert this into a list. Convert to list n equal to list and then we have to make a count variable, creating count variable as 0. We have to store the values here, count the number of times the beep sound is produced. So count equal to 0. Then we create a function to convert the binary to decimal. Creating function to convert binary to decimal. Define check. We are giving the L list here, then value equal to 0. Then we are using the for loop to convert the value for I in range to the length of L. Then we will take the last digit equal to L dot pop. Then check if digit is equal to 1. If it is equal, then update the value equal to value plus power b exponent base 2 and exponent is I, the index value. Now we will check if value is even, decimal the converted value of binary to decimal is even, equal to 0, then we will return true. Else return false. Now we have created the function. Now we have to update the number. Update it because we have to make the rotation in the circle, so we have to update the value of n. So updating. I'll write something like updating the value of n. For this we are using the for rotation. For this we are using for loop for I in range up to the length of L, because of we have to update up to L. Now we will assign n equal to n minus 1, that is the last element because we are taking it in the front, then up to the one element lesser than the complete length, that is alright, that is up to the length L minus 1. Now we will check if check, we are calling a function here, check converting the n into a list n is equal to true. True. Okay. Swapping again. Delete a bracket. Then count plus equal to 1. Now we will print the result. Print count. Now we the code O. It's int object O. We have to remove int from here. We are taking input in string. Oh, it's type error. Yeah, now it's run. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to check the description for the Instagram handle and the GitHub to get the solution. Thank you.